Totoo ba yun, Jay? Oo, ng mga typhoon. Kaya yung Tarlac hindi masyado.
T-Flex kasi Tarlac Pangasinan daw.
Dito kami sa T-Flex. Tarlac, Pangasinan, La Union. Ay, oo nga, T-Flex nga. Sierra Madre nga yan, balae. Sabi ng kapatid ko, sinerch niya.
Tabi-tabing bundok hanggang dun sa dami.
Oo. So dapat daw hindi kalbuhin yan, di ba? Nabunso, dapat hindi kinakalbo yan, di ba? So dapat hindi...
Dati ba super type mo tayo? Oo, yung signal number 5. Oo. Niligtas kami ng Sierra Madre 2 beses na.
Kasi nakaharang niya yung ano, yung mga wind.
Marami yan. Yung likod niya yung kinakapat.
Dahil mataas siya, ano.
Hindi, tsaka tabi-tabi kasi yung bundok. So bawal ano yan, bawal forestry, no? Oo. Parang endanger na siya, dapat alagaan.
Tag niya, no? Tabi-tabi.
Tingnan mo yung, yung mga fees doon, 20 pesos.
Oo, parang Calgary, parang yung Banff namin sa Canada.
Hanggang dun yan sa atin sa likod.
Wow, yan na pala yun. Nakita ko yung si Sierra Madre.
Dulo na to?
Mataas ng salton sa may banda.
Ah, dulo
to,
na.
T-Flex mill?
Oh, so wala na tayong ano, T-Flag. Sa Baguio, ay highway na. No, ano na, hindi na pay. Hindi pa tayo nag-exit eh.
Ito nga, exit. Dulo.
Ah.
Saan to, Emil? La Union?
Oo, La Union na po.
Sibuyas.
Ay, may ano oh, may random ano, check. Mga random ba yan?
Mga nag-speed limit yan. Ito
yung bilis
kanino.
Oh.
Mayroon kasi itong speedometer.
Ah, may speedometer.
Pag nag-exceed ka ng ano. Huli nyo kanina, di ba yung ilig na yun?
Ayan
Nakalang
na.
tayo, parang 120 tayo.
Exited. This is not, this is still highway but not toll.
There's like a speed limit.
Yeah.
Ilang speed limit doon, Jay? Makita mo? 100 lang, pero yung kanina wala eh. Kaya
Ah, malakas siya? Oh.
Eh, naka 140 tayo kasi dumaan din nga.
T-Flex nga. You're leaving T-Flex.
Kailangan alam mo kung saan yung ano, yung may baril. Yung baril.
Saan yun? Sa poste?
Sa mga paliko.
Oh, tapos ano, aabangan na dito sa exit. Ay, ay, ay. Magkano yun, kuya, pag nagbayad?
Walang baka 1.5.
1.5. Tapos hindi mo pwedeng lagayan yun kasi ang dami nila dun.
Saka mga nakabody cam.
Oo, pag driving yan ang papalag.
Oo, kasi may body cam. Di lalo ka pang ano, mumultahan. Kasi binabayaran mo sila.
Yeah, bribery.
Wow.
Ito ate ang ano ng ano surfing.
Oo.
Maraming beaches na.
Pero pag yung nakamotor lang na hinuli ka, pwede yun, lagayan mo.
Hindi pa rin.
Ah, hindi pa rin.
Baka record yun nung nahuli ka eh.
Ay.
O, nasa system na nila yun pag nakita sa...
O, di wag na. Wag ka na maglagay.
Wala na.
Oh, wala nang lagayan ngayon, Ryan.
Dyan. Depende sa kasi sa... Pero pag bayan pa yan, mapait yung mga enforcer. Oo, yung mga bayan.
Ayan na Baguio via Quezon. Hala, yan na. Hindi kami dumadaan dito eh. Marcos Highway kami.
Wala yun.
Pero safe naman ang Canon, kuya. Ay, ano, kuya. Ah. Tsaka wala na atang buses na dumadaan sa Canon Road eh.
Bawal na.
Bawal na.
Ito, tahimik.
O yan, mamaya na ulit pag may ano, mga magagandang view.
Pwede mo na tayo time lapse yan, diba?
time-lapse. So, malupad. Ilang oras
Ayun
lang
lang.
tayo? 2 hours na.
Hindi, kanina pa yung 2 hours galing sa atin.
Ah.
Ilang minutes pa sa
37. 37.
37.
na to ng zigzag. Pero yung zigzag niya wide ah. Hindi siya narrow. Pero dati pag sinabi Canon Road eh.
Kinalalakutan.
Kasi, oo, parang ito na yung pinaka.
Bangin.
Medyo nag-widening. Nag-widening.
Nakakapag hindi na natin nakaraan.
Tinibayan ko
Yung
yung
pag-ganon
pagdasway.
pa kumpa.
Kasi tumuguupo dati.
The good thing about is,
Kaya pa.
this is wala nang buses.
Yeah.
Kasi yung nakakatakot masalubong mo yung bus ride.
Nagpa-banking yung
Ayan yung mga pababa, mataas.
spaghetti na yun.
Pindutin mo yung screen kung sa kung gusto mong makita yan. Mas minsan to, lang pakiilam, di rin nakita yung kaya alam mo,
Dakaw lang, slide.
may mga, oo, diba? Kaya nga maganda yung dumadaan dito ng hindi naulan. The amazing one here is yung on the road kasi pero yan kasi parang nakita namin sa mga Calgary,
Yung ganyan lugar.
yeah. Familiar kami. But actually in Banff it's like this as well, no? Like zigzag terrain. This is more sharper.
Okay na tayo, 2 minutes lang. Said
over there we're gonna park.
Dito na kuya? Okay.
Sandali lang daw, sandali.
Sige, sige.
Ay, hahanap siya ng ano magandang pwesto natin. Ayan.
Oh, yeah, where is it?
Yay! Our first stop, Lion's Head.
Time check.
Time check. Ilang oras ng biyahe natin, Bunso? From Tarlac, ha? 2.5 bago marating yung Lion's Head. O, di konti na lang yung papuntang Baguio City.
Lapit na.
Oo.
Sunod din to Burnham Park na tayo.
Wow!
Mga 20 minutes.
It's not far. Because dun sa ano highway,
Kasi
Tiplex.
tumigil tayo ng ano eh. Nakailang tigil din.
No, I mean, hindi siya malayo.
Dahil
Dahil
yan,
sa
sa
Tiplex. Wow. Magaling pala we have a highway. Aura.
Okay na?
Yeah. Okay, baba na kami.
Nila ko pala.
Tignan namin si ano. Baba na kami.
Oops.
Oops! It's moving. 1 second na love.
Okay na?
Okay na. Thank you, my love. My love, look. Oh. Yan, first time ko dito sa ano, Lion's Head. Yeah, gonna wait for everyone. Gusto may bayad yung parking? Wala pa. Wow! turista namin. Let's go.
Brakes. Oh, yeah. Lot of pressure on the transmission and the brakes on there.
But it's very good.
May jacket mo dala?
Ay, ano pala? Color of the day pala tayong tatlo.
Souvenirs.
Hey, tumabi kaya kayo? Oh yeah, it's getting cooler now. Look. It's getting palamig na. Oh, hindi mo pa na-feel. Malamig yung legs ko nga, nararamdaman yung lamig eh.
Yeah, okay oh, walang tao.
Nay? Laki ng puwit. Hayaan mo siya na kay ano ba? Like, I love, yeah, I know. Later on, there's a lot over there too. A souvenir daw. May puti. Yay!
Strawberry taho.
Of course. Mamaya na, picture muna tayo. Saan ang picture? Sa harap o dito sa gilid lang, no? Pwede sa harap? Sa gilid muna. Sa gilid muna, bunso.
Kapag walang tao.
Oo, dali. Let's go, girls. Ladies muna, ladies.
Lamig mo. Group, ladies. Doon tayo, yung may layon.
Ayan na yung mga game tayo sa mga Lion King.
Karami. Nandun daw sa isa.
Oo, samantalain na natin. Tumigil na rin tayo eh. Nagsiselfie yung husband ko.
Totoo nga yung may pagkakano niya.
Gusto phone mo yon yung
Oo.
pag ganun gano'n?
Parang drone.
Maganda?
Ganda.
Galing ah. Galing ni Kuya, parang drone.
Bialet.
Ito tayo.
Bialet.
Ano?
Ito oh. Lion said. $1900s pa pala to. Oh my God. Pinatang. Saan? Oh, 1 second. Do you like it?
Yeah, we'll take a picture.
Nice eh. Yeah. This one is a good, Ayan, bibili kami taho. Oh, yan. Kuha na. Isa-isa.
Pilang pong tao.
Ilan? Taho strawberry. Is it right? Taho strawberry ba yan, kuya? Oh, strawberry.
Original.
Yeah. Ako isa. Ano? Yan. Isa. May maliit ba niyan, kuya?
Size namin.
One size lang?
Wala pa nung maliit lang. Meron pa maliit.
Kasi masyadong malaki eh.
Share na lang eh. Titikman lang.
Share na lang tayo.
Kalahati na lang ilagay mo. Kalahati na bibili. Hindi, ito maliit to.
Hindi, pareha lang.
Share na lang. You have enough money? Dalawa.
Share na lang.
You have money?
Oh, yeah, I know. Can you vlog me
I gotta
first?
go to the bathroom. That's gonna.
Okay.
Want to make sure you have enough money before
I do, my love. Go. Just be careful, ha? You want, yeah. So, kayong dalawa, isa na lang din.
No, kami bibili sa amin.
Tangi ako na. Wag na, Ryan. Isa lang. No. Ikaw, ate, isa. Ayaw mo? Sino kasama ko? Si RJ. Titikim lang ako, tapos ikaw na. Kasi hindi ko naman maubos yan.
Ma'am, nakabintar na ko ma'am, pastilya.
Isa, dalawa lang? Tatlo. Tatlo lang kuya.
Kuya, original yung akin din.
Ayun, no, strawberry.
Ano klase po?
Look at this baby cat. Oh, my love. They're answering you. Na kami sa Burnham Park. Burnham Park. No, I'm wearing skirt.
Mga bakal po.
Ayaw niyong mag-bicycle? No one wants to ride a bicycle? You want to ride a bicycle, Mama?
Papuntang Secret Garden.
Ano yung way? Saan ang way?
Doon tayo sa water, yung merong gitna sa tubig. Ano ba yun? Okay, let's... Ay, nire-renovate na. Oh, that's bad. That's the only one I wanna see, the water, but they closed down.
Papuntang Secret Garden to. Secret Garden.
See, my love, how funny Filipino is. They just come here to like do this, and it's fun for them already. Right? Oh, look at the small kids.
Hanggang saan pwede to? Hanggang saan ang... Pwede to ang Secret Garden? Hanggang dito lang, pwede dito. Hindi, pwede dali yung Secret Garden. Hindi nga alam yung Secret Garden eh.
Lakarin natin papuntang Secret Garden.
Kapag malapit lang siya.
Ay, yung pulis.
Kesa sa mag-anak po tayo
Yes, let's go.
5 minutes eh.
Time for a shoe practice. Oh. Watch out, babe. Wow, that's a good break. Ayan, tanong tayo sa police. Oh. Oh, they renovated it.
Yeah, they
Oh,
drained
it's a water before.
Yeah, they drained it.
Baby, they drain it. Look. Ah. So what happened?
They're draining, yeah, they're fixing it. Either they're making it deeper or they're just...
Are they making it deeper?
Yeah, kapag ang dahilaw nila.
Oh, they're gonna
They're
make it
fixing the
pre-
sides.
pretty.
Oh,
They're gonna make it more touristy.
Oh, this is a gold mine, so
Yeah,
the more they
true.
invest in it, the more people are going to
Yes, correct.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go enjoy
come.
the
Ice
ride.
cream at the Pandasol.
Yeah, that's the dirty ice cream.
Yeah, I can eat that.
Oh, there's the manga.
Oh wow, there's a mango.
Yeah, asin lang, walang bago.
Pero nilagyan naman.
I feel like that's fun.
Yeah. Can we buy, my love?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, wala nang bagong eh.
You have a barya?
Asin lang eh.
You have a money, my love?
May pera daw.
I'm vlogging. No. How much?
120 man, sandaan.
Doon na lang sa walang buto. May buto ba to, ate?
Meron kaya mas maliit. Pwede.
Ito na, be. Sige, bibigay ko sa'yo. Balagay, bigyan mo muna.
Alamang asin, suka.
Ayaw, gusto yung mango?
Asin lang.
Spicy, ma'am.
Ah?
Asin, spicy.
May asin spicy?
Oo.
Oh.
Ate,
Gaano kay spicy yan, ate? Konti lang konti. Very half lang yan.
Ikaw.
Hati na kami. Hindi ko kaya yan. Bigay sa'yo, be, pag after ko mag-ano.
ito po
Kain na. Kain na.
Nobody wants more? What?
That's what turn off. Turn off mo. Ay, naku.
Di ba siya ate?
Paano siya nakapasal?
Paano siyang ate?
May height limit yun, di ba?
Ang alin?
Kulong pulis.
Oh.
Baka dito sa Baguio, wala nang required.
Oh, yan ang mga souvenirs.
Rentahan nyo lang yung uniform.
This is the place to buy something.
Papunta, hindi yata strawberry farm ba yun? Pwede ko yun?
Oo, nilagay niyo ata yung strawberry farm, di ba?
Yung nilang nila Kevin.
Oh.
The
bread.
Yan natin sa listahan. Hindi siya kasama tita eh.
Ay, hindi.
Pero isingit natin ito. Bukas po dito.
180 t-shirt. It's a nice quality.
A back scratcher? Yeah, I have them already.
Check the quality na lang. Oh, you know what you gonna love in here? The peanut brittle. You like peanut brittle?
Yeah.
This is where we need to buy.
You should buy a t-shirt here.
Yeah.
Here or somewhere along this strip.
This one na lang. Can go inside. Eh, but you wanna carry? We can still go.
we
Yeah.
can- on the way back.
Yes.
I don't want to carry anything.
Yeah, you don't wanna carry for sure.
Backpack.
Shawarma.
Yeah, this is peanut brittle's really good in here. I'll buy peanut brittle.
They have shawarma here.
You can try as well.
No, my stomach
Ay.
is shot
Yeah.
from after that. It was the oil.
Oh, that's a nice one.
True.
Totoo yan? Oh, wow. Ang ganda niya.
Ganda oh.
Mm-mm.
Pader yung wall ng ano sa bahay ganyan.
Oo nga na pala. No, doon sa labas.
Mahirap.
Kaya lang ang dami mong... Oo.
Mainit.
Dito kasi malamig eh. Malamig yung ano niya. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila plant. Cute! Tayo sa mga souvenirs.
Morning,
Sila. Morning. Ryan, give us time limit ha. Para bumili,
Pangalawa na to eh.
para bumili sila.
Pwede na kayo bumili. Patawid lang tayo sa resort. Tayo set yung isa. Patawid tayo sa kabila.
Oh, white t-shirt is 180. So it's cheap. For two 180. But
Yeah.
it's white. If you get the color one, it's more.
Well, it's good, but again, we should
When we come back, yeah.
before we leave, we should grab
Before we leave, are we coming back the same? Oh yeah, we're coming back the same air. This is they're using there. We should buy already. In case we didn't.
Yeah, we don't pass this.
Yeah, we need to buy Namela whatever we need. In case we don't go back here. Mga tayo na mabibili. Ay, ano siya? Hindi nga eh. Silk. Tinignan ko nga kasi ang ganda eh. Magkano yung t-shirt nyo?
180 po, madam. All sizes po tayo. American size.
Do you wanna get one for Renzo? A t-shirt?
It's so difficult.
Well, it's a souvenir for him. I don't know. He will wear it or not. It doesn't matter.
T-shirts.
I know.
Then she goes somewhere and throw it away.
Yeah.
Kayo ng design, madam. Para yung size.
Magkano yung mga ganong bag nyo, yung mga Baguio City, Philippines na brown?
Yung nandito po? Or
Oo,
mas malaki
yung
po?
nandito.
280 po yung madam.
Okay.
So we should get a t-shirt and get a bag so we can put it in.
You can, is it a good quality? Anong quality to? Cotton ba to?
Auntie, 100%.
100% cotton. Yeah, it's a nice. Is it nice? Ha?
May white din.
May white ng ganito? Like, mga colors?
Ito po yung colored, ma'am. Yung ganun po. White po.
Ah, okay, okay.
What about the other ones?
Said the white one is like this, but I like this one. But is there the design? Is there any color white of this? No. At saka yun, no, yung Baguio City. Because it's a map of the Philippines. Yeah. You'll see all the island patches. Free size ba yan? Or may sizes?
May sizes.
Ah, okay. They have.
Any size. XS to XL.
Pag bumili kami ng walang bawas.
Ilan po bang?
Maybe we're gonna buy 1, 2.
May mga t-shirt din po.
Who else? Just Renzo, no love.
I'm gonna buy Renzo some booze. I know he'll.
Oh, so
drink
you're
it.
not buying this third? Oh,
No,
if
not
you're
for
not...
Renzo. This is for us.
Ah, for us. Okay. Do you have pang babae? It's a small size, right? Like their sizes, yeah. Yeah, we can wear one day, my love.
Mamili na kayo, babalik na tayo ron.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Mm.
Yung pinsan pala, ninang pala ni Kevin, may mga ganito rin sa pwesto sa Strawberry Farm. Kung bibili ka raw doon
May
na
mga
lang para
t-shirt?
maka-discount tayo.
May mga
Yeah,
t-shirt?
kompleto sila lahat.
Ay, sorry.
If you want, pero if you
Okay,
want
let's
to
go,
buy-
let's go. Do you understand?
Ayan, si Tita
No,
Mara
but-
sabi.
Kevin's aunt has a store like this, so we can discount a lot.
Where?
Because we're gonna pass it on a like Strawberry Farm. We're going there.
Okay.
Picture, picture. Picture. A picture. My love, come. Ayan guys, nandito naman kami sa Secret Garden in Baguio City. Ayan yung family. Tignan nyo naman. Oh, not this one. This is the Lost Cemetery. The Lost Cemetery.
May bayad? Donation na.
Ah, free, okay. Pag free, go. Pag may payment, wag na.
Maganda rito.
Dito ba ako yung secret garden? Secret daw.
My love, it's just a donation.
Yes, Arjun.
How much you want to donate?
It's just, I don't know, Ryan donation.
50.
Sana ganito lang. Ano, yung, kahit sa Tarlac, ganyan din.
Ang alin balae.
Yung weather.
Yeah. Hindi pa kasi summer ate. Ay pero kahit summer, ganito pa rin ang weather kasi kaya nga summer capital, di ba? Malamig dito kahit summer. Dito lahat nagpapanikan pag ano, mainit. Ano yan? Tempo.
Pag may apo na tayo, balain.
Ganyan na, no? Cute, cute. Oh, where's my water bottle?
I have mine.
Oh. JJ, akin ba yan? Yung water? Hindi, no? Sa iyan, no? Sa akin yan?
I gave you.
Ay, okay.
This is the cemetery.
Ay, oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'll get from kuya. Ano meron?
Cemetery. Si Tweety Bird na.
Ah, si Tweety Bird nandun? Kaya naman eh. Madali ako maniwala eh. Ay,
To Bell Amphitheater.
Bell Amphitheater, Bell House.
Grabe nga.
Picturean mo nga te, para may ma-send ka sa akin. Yan si JJ, magaling eh. Bell Amphitheater? My love, Bell Amphitheater. Dito ba sa...
Doon daw, doon tayo. Yan ata yung guide yun eh.
Oh, I think ayan nata siguro.
Oh, dito na nga tayo. Para kasi
Pero malaki siguro to sana.
hawak nga daw. Ito sabi ni ano.
O ramp for PWD.
Tayo sa PWD.
Ay hindi, dito. Ito mas ano.
Oo, first light.
Oo.
Ang ganda nga.
Right.
Pag yung mga naka-wheelchair dito.
Oo. Eh dito tayo bala, sa hagdanan. Hindi na tayo naka-wheelchair eh.
Picture ako kay John Teo.
Ay, picture tayo dito. Yung pababa tayong lahat.
sige, sige.
Okay.
Tawagin na sila.
Hindi ako sa unahan
Your
ah.
height.
Dito tayo pwede mag-TikTok yung gano'n, no? Dung, 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 dung. Okay, let's go.
Kasi din, diplomat na kayo mag-TikTok, te.
Sige, sige.
Practicein nyo na, papunta doon, panoorin nyo na.
Ikaw naman eh, baka tinatakot mo kami. Oo, practicein ko sila mamaya. Ay, bala, sa hagdanan. Pababa tayong gano'n, no? Pababa.
Step by step.
Sino una?
Bili tayo baba.
Sino matapang sa una? Chela, ikaw naman payat ka naman eh. Sa una ka na.
Find your height nga eh.
Ah, find your height?
Oo, maliit. Sino pala ka maliit?
Hindi na, kahit hindi na find your height.
Actually, against the light.
Ah, sige.
Ay, against the light.
Maganda yung nandun ka tapos
Hindi
dito
kita yung view. Ang view nga natin dito eh. Ayan na, kulim na. Game.
Game.
Sige na.
Careful ah.
Halika, Timors.
Here. Ganyan, okay na? O, doon pa ako.
Baka sa kabila.
Ako dito. Kala ko ba step by step?
Yeah, okay na yun. Tita Presi, lapit ka po konti kay Tita Joy. Ako. Ikaw din po.
Okay na yan. Yun. Game.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, because I know that guy who's hiring me for a very long time.
Old Tony, the old boss.
Oh, we need to pay for... do we need to pay? Yeah, we need to pay.
How much?
How much ba so? Yeah, I think he still have a little
Senior,
bit of money.
senior.
Like I gave him 1,000 last time.
Pasok din kasama ni sir.
Pasok na. Pasok na kami. Ayun, may bayad oh. 10 pesos.
It's always nice.
Sa Mines View.
For somebody or...
Oh, wow. Look at that,
I've
my
been there a
love.
few times.
My love, look at this. Oh, that's a nice one.
He's my boss. At the same company right now. He got pirated. And now
Oh, he's trying to... Oh, that happens a lot. So my current boss's boss was my old boss. But we're friends, so we can't report. I can't report it to him.
Tingin-tingin muna tayo ng presyo bago nga. Ay, ang dami. Ang ganda sa loob, bunso.
Oh, he's a fun one. So working with him is really
Huh?
difficult.
He's
So
a good friend, but
oh, he's good. No, people are
Ang dami. Ang daming mabihibalay. Pasalubong. Mamaya na tayo umikot dito. Mag-ano muna tayo. Alam niyo ba yung everlasting? Ayun mo. Yung everlasting na na bulaklak. Tumatagal yan ng months. Pwede lang mag-uwi niyan eh.
sorry, I hate to be tough, but I have to show it. I'm tough like this.
Itong dalawa, chika.
I got I'm used to it. He knows when he pushes me too much. I don't have to. So usually I just go quiet, and then he knows he pushes. But it's good if you do that.
Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Kung na-miss ko to. Oh.
More money.
Rosal. Wow. Pwede lang yan sa Canada yung ano. Goodness. I think everlasting. Oh. Yes,
Everlasting. Pili po kayo.
maybe stay rainy unconsciously. I would ask him, dude, ask me to sign like what's this?
Bababa
Like a
siya.
VIP.
Pero may tinda silang mga...
Show them that we're not friends. That you're
Sayang, hindi talaga pwede mag-uwi niyan pabalik.
I feel what they feel.
Ay,
Giving
ashtray.
So I'm scolding him, dude, don't give these guys a treatment. It's true.
Mga souvenirs.
I don't want to be like ousted by the team because I'm favored by the rest. Oh, that's it.
Ah, that's him.
Where I am now, my regular
Oh, he's still alive? Oh, that's a new one maybe. That's a new one, oo.
friends. And
Saint Bernard, right?
like this, I show no emotion.
My love,
Coming around.
look at Saint Bernard.
Yeah. He's always
You
doing
can
that.
take pictures on him.
And then he go,
Ito kung pwede lang ako mag-uwi nito, mag-uwi ako eh. Hindi nga pwede eh.
He's like a brother. Yeah. Those are nice.
Laki ni Saint Bernard oh. Ayan yung pambam. Pictures. Pictures, magbibihis ka. Kaya lang ayaw naman ni Dennis. Sabi niya, ang dami. Maarte yan, Diyos ko.
Ano, sinot ba yung t-shirt?
Hindi sinuot yung t-shirt. Hindi, masikip lang, te. Bibigay ko nga kay Kevin yun eh.
Palitan mo.
Hindi na. Ito, pwede ka magpa-picture, oh. 100. Tapos 50.
27 years was the last time.
Yeah, we went here with my mother.
Oh, yeah?
With my mother. And Marjorie is a baby. Like a baby.
8 months.
I forgot that RJ is
Take a
younger
pic.
than Marjorie.
Picture kayong dalawa. Yeah, only 50, oh. My love, we're gonna go there. That's where you see the whole thing. Pa-picture kayo. Sayang.
Saka costume din.
Hindi kasama na ba yon? Or hindi? Huwag na kayo mag-costume.
Kaya nga
Hindi nyo na kailangan yun.
100 lang group na.
Sa horse?
May 1K ka pa dito, te.
Pwede. O sige, busoli ka tayong lahat. We're gonna pay 100 for a group picture with the horse, my love. Here.
Who's gonna ride?
Pwede?
Ikaw, te. Pwede
Si Dennis. You're the rider and then we're going down.
Also the heaviest person here.
No, it's okay. The dog won't care.
It has horsepower.
It's okay.
Oh, I'm gonna ride.
You ride it. I've been on horses quite a bit.
O sige, teka muna. Sakay muna ako ha.